Level 1, push-ups. On the knees, arms out, right angles, straight down, straight up, push-up position. 12 reps. To be supersetted with Romanian twist, level 1, 12 reps, pulses down and up, engaging the core. Slight back, slight up. Level 2, push-ups on the toes. Hands out to the side, elbows straight above the hands, flat body, one straight line, shoulders, hips, toes. 12 reps to be supersetted with level 2, Romanian twist. Elbows bent, hands on top of each other, twisting side to side with a pause in the middle, engaging the core. Level 3, push-up on a medicine ball. Push-up position, one hand on the med ball, elbows at right angles, and roll the ball side to side, in between. 12 reps. To be supersetted with Romanian twist with a med ball. Straight arms out, twisting side to side, looking straight ahead. Nice internal, external oblique rotation. 12 reps,